Hello guys, welcome back to my page once again. So today I'm not talking about tech, I'm talking about a whole lot of different things. So one thing I like about Twitter is that when you get on Twitter, you see people discussing about real life stuffs, mostly things that concerns Nigerian youths. So I got across his thread on Twitter, and this man he was asking, what is he going to do with 10 million naira? He said that he got an inheritance from his family. It's 10 million naira that he's thinking of what to do with the money, what business he will do with the money, that he has option that somebody is telling him to use the money and do visiting visa to Canada for 6 months. That after that 6 months, he will find his way over there. So, and he's also open to other business suggestions. But you see, people started talking. You hear from first hand people that are in Canada, people that have been in Canada for like 20 years, 15 years, 10 years. They started telling him things. They told him that this is a bad idea. Don't ever try it. Don't try to use visiting visa to come to Canada. Canada is very tough right now. That the prime minister just resigned, and the other person that's coming in has a tough stances on immigration. It's going to be difficult. That even if you manage to use it to come to Canada and he starts seeking for asylum, they will not grant him. That is a waste of time. That he will suffer. Then at the same time, we see others are giving him some advices on what to use the 10 million naira to do on the business that he will do. Someone trying to pour their heart out on the business that they invested their money in Nigeria here, and it got wasted and all that. So from all these things, I found out that one of the problems that many food businesses has in Nigeria is that many people are putting hands in what they don't know much about. When you have money, ask your friend, I'm looking for business to do. They might tell you, come and do this one. Flea station is working very well. Go and build a flea station. And at the same time, if you're not grounded, if you don't know the technical know-how in flea station business, you go out there and build it. Maybe 2-3 years, it will fold up. The same thing we used to see hotels everywhere, and after 2-3 years the hotel will go down, due to lack of management skills and all that, plus other things. So you also, in that trade, you also hear some people telling you that the best thing that you can do is to do what you know, do what you have. If you know that small business that you have little knowledge about, once big money come, invest it on that. Someone was saying that if you are a pure water, if you used to sell pure water in cooler, or you sell pure water on your fridge, and you happen to hit 10 million naira, why don't you expand it? Become a distributor, or even if it is a bigger money, you can open up a pure water factory. At least you have known how the business goes. The same thing with somebody that is selling a butcher that is selling meat in a small quantity. If that money comes, why don't you establish and probably open a slaughterhouse? So there are so many other instances. So, and on that thread also, you see some people that told the business that they have ventured into, and the best business that you can still venture into this 2025, because the year is just started. So I'm going to show you some of the suggestions that they gave this man. I want you to enjoy it. You can learn one or two things from it. So guys, as you can see from the pictures that I've showed you, and what opinions that people gave to him, you must have learned one or two things. So that is it. We are all here to help each other in everything to succeed. That is the most important thing. So if this is the first time you're seeing my channel or my page, make sure that you follow, share, and like. You'll be getting more security updates and tech and any other news here. See you next time. Bye.